Well, the big storm we've all been dreading has finally arrived. The snow started falling early this morning and it's expected to keep falling all day. And as the storm strengthens, people can expect strong winds and poor visibility. Forecasters say this spring storm could bring as much as 80 centimeters of snow in some areas. Taylor, what is the situation like where you are right now?
Well, as you can see, you can't really see.
Arizona. Les consignes de sécurité à votre siège ou vous adresser à un membre de l'équipage de cabine.
Noah, where are we?
Arizona.
Same year.
I'm not gonna lie, I think Noah's my favorite, to be honest. I think I like Noah more than.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Fucking send it.
Just 1 second.
Yeah, buddy.
Jesus.
Let's go, group. Get in the hole. Back
Get on
spin.
the fairway.
Hands down, Carmen. Let's ride! Woo!
All right.
The best I've seen Morgan score at Glenny was Because you broke 80 at 20, right? I've seen Morgan hit 80.
Beauty.
I don't think you understand how impressive the stash actually is. Like it's.
No. I've been being like. Bring up the item.
Order online and sign up now. That's over here. Yeah. For you? Oh, I've eaten. I get fucking full. Wow.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime
John has it birdies.
stopping your whole everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring.
Ice out fall.
Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down.
Oh, that would've been sick.
But the horns, they blowing that sound.
Get in there.
Way on down south. Way
Oh my
on down
God.
south. Oldtown town. Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If any no guitar is all he can
B-Dog.
when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky tonk like anything.
Birds coming out.
Saving it up Friday night with the Sultans,
Unreal shot.
with the Sultans of Swing.
123, I think I'm gonna do a pitch fuck.
We duffed it, dude. Oh, I duffed it too.
That's called being fucking child.
Fuck! I wanted
Oh! No! Bab, you're up.
And then the man is steps right up to the microphone.
That's been the story of our.
Good night. Now it's time to go home. Sultans. We are the Sultans of Swing. We are the Sultans. We are the Sultans of Swing.
I had like 6 beers.
Yeah.
I think more reflective. Only the winners here.
But I'll have it casual.
Flex! Flex!
Yeah.
Yes!
If I'm drinking it, doesn't count. Right? 26
Flex?
Yeah.
That is Sonya.
The first ball.
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
I got something you call spectacular out of this freaking world. The most common denominator between boy and girl. The highest set of standards that's ever been established. Redistributed to the masses for your satisfaction. We only come in peace to preach about the next coming. The first black president, what if the next is woman? This is for those becoming who you intend to be. Pull off your suits of struggle and wash your sins and see. This is finna be even deeper than a sunken ship. 2,000 plus leagues underground above the rich. And you can see them like they hands stretching out to God. And we can save them like any patient about to die. This is that big hurt that put a hurting on the truth. They never thought a wish could lead the world into pursuit. Life, liberty, happiness to be detached from evil. This is a message to and from the people.
Good thing we got that one on video.
I know.
The true living.
The true living, what? The true living, how the true living, what? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. The true living, how the true living, what? The true living, how the true living, what? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Say it again. It's the truth.
Hang on.
Y'all. Yo, it's the truth.
Turntables and a classic record, a match made in heaven. Glory be to God. Straight out the West, it's never been a more truthful duo in these courageous ages. The new creators' favorites, yo.
It's so money.
Yes! It's Blue and X. Go get a stack of rappers and play us back to back. Check the conclusion after. Who got the masses locked? Open your hearts and let us walk throughout your mental fortress. Close down your chart soon as we spark, cause you been sent to forfeit. Bring back original rap to what it's meant to be. And let that digital relax. Wax is slippery when wet. Acapella, let me spit on your decks. Play that intro instrumental, watch the realest connect. To say it simple, yo, we simply the best. Profess the spiritual, confess the miracle as individuals and get respect. The next logical step will be to bless the streets in attempts to reflect what we have yet to see. Ladies and gentlemen, from this dimension comes the true and living. 90 billion miles from the root of existence. Touch the sun and let me shine like one. Bust your gun and watch the blind run. We change the shooter's vision. Influential intuition and the missions on the mission. standing at the finish, telling them that we just beginning. From out the park, dropping jewels in the dark, comes a beat beating harder than the beat of your heart. The true and living.
How the true and living. What the true and living. How the true and living. What? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth.
The true and living.
How the true and living. What? The true and living. How the true and living. What? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Say it again. It's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth.
Hey, yo, back for the third time, reflecting like the earth shines. A testament to worst times, word to the wise. Visualize your favorite way to make it. Call it your place in heaven. Elope the truth and spit a jewel at 80 verse per second. You can never measure records with the few who did it. While the people try and lie and take the future with it. Computer wizards multiplying in division, subtraction, and addition, all to get the true and living.
Oh!
Right down the pipe. Rock and roll.
The true and living.
How the true and living. What? The true and living. How the true and living. What? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Say it again. It's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Hey, the true and living.
Shit. The guy knows how to perform. That's the money shot.
The true and living.
How the true and living. What? The true and living. How the true and living. What? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth.
The true and living.
How the true and living. What? The true and living. How the true and living. What? Yo, it's the truth, y'all. Yo, it's the truth. Say it again.
Adam! Did that just actually? That just hit us. The ball just hit us.